In the night of October 19, 1979, a group of marine scientists were exploring the mid-Atlantic when precisely at 12 a.m. their microphones picked on a mysterious sound. The origin of the sound is unknown, but it is theorized to be organic in nature, the product of some mysterious gigantic animal. Dr. Miller, a professional marine biologist who was there, has this to say about it. It's funny, when we are kids, we are afraid of monsters. As we grow up, we learn that monsters aren't real. But hearing that sound in the middle of the ocean reminds me that we could be wrong, and it's not hard to believe that there are giant monsters down there, creatures that we cannot even imagine. According to leading experts, the animal making that sound would have had to be bigger than 10 blue whales. While others are more skeptic, believing this sound to be echoes of glaciers, others say that the frequencies are too different, yet oddly similar to the sonar of dolphins and whales. They support the theory that this sound is a sonar of some animal living in the deep. Let's listen to it once again. Now listen to what happens when we speed it up. But even more curious, what happens if we speed it up even more? Well, I hope this video was fun. Yeah.